Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I'm Joe. Today I'm at the local RV dealership and we're going to be reviewing the Little Guys RV. It's super light and it's a really unique little trailer. So stand by, folks. Here it comes. Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. Today I am looking at the Little Guy Max 21-foot travel trailer. Now this is quite a unique little travel trailer. So the Max 21-foot is a classic teardrop style travel trailer. As you can see, it's white with red trim. It's quite unique with the color. The total weight of this trailer is approximately 3,000 pounds. For those who have an SUV or a light duty truck, can tow this RV without any issue. I really like the one-piece seamless roof. It really minimizes that fear of having any leaks. This large skylight is a really nice touch as well. It lets in a lot of natural light, and we'll have a look at that some more when we get inside. Now I'll just put up a diagram of the inside. It's all labeled with the different sections and what everything is, so you can have a close look and know exactly what we're looking at when we go inside. Now let's do a walk around the outside and let's see what this RV has to offer. It has a 19-gallon fresh water tank, a 25-gallon gray water holding tank, and lastly a 9-gallon black water holding tank. Now this RV being a 7-foot wide RV, it gives you plenty of space to maneuver in those tight camping spots. As we pan around to the left here, you'll see a 33-inch opening. Now this is a storage space, which gives you plenty of room to store all your camping equipment, and it's easy access in and out because it's such a big opening. So that's a definite bonus. And I love this flip-up door, which stays open when you're getting stuff in and out, and you can close it and lock it. As we move along, you can see a little compartment to the left. Now this one houses your outside shower system. So it's perfect for pets, kids. It's just nice to have all around. And moving ahead, you can see the ventilation system for your refrigerator and freezer. Now these windows are really nice because they're tinted. It's got beautiful paint on the side here too. It's really quite nice. As we move ahead, you can see your compartment for your hot water tank. And if you're getting some value from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't hesitate to comment on the video. Tell me what you think of this trailer. Is it something that you would choose? And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. As we move on to the other side of this RV, you can see that there's another compartment here at the back. This one is another storage compartment. Now look at this. You can actually go right through to the other side. It's a through storage compartment, which is absolutely amazing. In this small of a trailer, you really don't see many that have really good storage, and this one absolutely does. So definitely good job on that. To the right of the cabinet, you've got your furnace ventilation. You've got these fantastic 5-spoked aluminum wheels, and you've got some nice aggressive tires around this aluminum rim. You've got your connection for your cable system. And to the right of that, you've got a receptacle here. If you've got a generator hooked up, then you can plug in other appliances as well. And you've got a spot to hang up your television right above, and you've got your outside speakers here. I think the outside of this trailer is set up really nice and it really looks slick. So now it's time to go inside, folks. Let's have a look. So as we enter, you can see there's the dinette to the right, you've got the kitchen on the left, and straight ahead you've got the bathroom, and we'll get a closer look at that in a bit. As we look at the front dinette here, you can see that it's all wood. Nothing is MDF here, folks. It's got lots of windows, so it lets in lots of natural light. You've got some speakers up top in the corner there. You've got a light, and you've got quite a bit of storage here. Personally, I would have liked to have seen a little bit bigger space for storage and maybe some doors to cover. If I've got items that are stored on the shelves, I'd like to see them kind of tucked away and covered up instead of being visible and in the open. It's great to have a designated seating area like this dinette, and on top of that you're able to break it down and set it up as a bed. It's perfect for guests and kids. As we pan around to the right here, you'll see your control center, which includes a radio, 110 plug-in. You've got a charging station here too, where you can put USBs or 12-volt plug-in. And that's right beside the kitchen. So the kitchen is set up really well. You've actually got quite a bit of counter space here. You've got a great residential sink and faucet. Your kitchen faucet is totally adjustable. It can extend and use it as a sprayer when you're doing dishes. Looking underneath the cover here, you can see a single sink. For a nice compact trailer like this, a single sink will do you just fine. To the right, you've got a flat top, cooktop, gas and electric combo. Above that is your microwave oven, and that's a perfect size. And to the left of the microwave oven, you've got some more cupboard space here. So all in all, this little kitchen here is set up really, really well. And it's a really good use of space. In a small, compact trailer like this, you need all the space you can get. As we are spinning around, we'll take a look at this bathroom shower combo. This is going to be a one-piece shower unit with a fiberglass shower insert. Got some ventilation and a fan up top. You can see the stainless steel lines. Fully adjustable shower up and down, so for the shorter or taller person, that's perfect. I would describe this bathroom as a wet-dry bathroom because it's a one-piece combo. It's got your toilet, your shower, and one small space. Now this is the kind of shower combo that you would see in most truck campers. I think it's a really good use of space. I'm just not sure I'm loving the glass shower door as an entry into the bathroom. So let's swing around and let's have a look at the back. On the wall is the thermostat controller for the air conditioner. This is a GTE 13,500 BTU air conditioning system. Moving to the left, you've got a 4 cubic foot stainless steel refrigerator. This fridge also comes with a small space for frozen items. It does have enough shelves to store your cold items. Now this is powered by propane and electric, so you've got the dual option, so it actually works really well. Looking underneath, you've got another drawer here for storage, which is quite handy. And we've got a wardrobe to the left. It's nice and tall. There's some shelves there. You look up higher and then you can see the clothing rod. There is a bit more storage around. As we pan to the left, you can see that the floor space is actually pretty good here. You've got room to move around. And you can see that you've got another drawer here underneath the bed for storage. As we pan back, you can see the full-size queen bed. It's all set up and ready to go. Now this bedroom area has a 24-inch flat screen TV that's set up on the wall, and it's adjustable and you can move it. You've also got some speakers on each side. Now this skylight is super impressive. You've got this blind that comes down and slides over and it covers up the skylight. But you can lay in bed and watch the stars. What an amazing idea. And to the right, there's another window here with a blind. So it's great. So you've got that nice dark area to sleep in. I'm going to say all in all, I think this bedroom is definitely a double thumbs up. Turning around and looking at this kitchen, I think this kitchen is a home run as well. It's got great use of space here. You've got everything you need in one spot. The main living area is set up really well. So I find the build quality of this trailer is quite high. So I would certainly recommend this trailer and I would give it a thumbs up. Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. If you like smaller RV trailers that you can pull behind an SUV or a small pickup truck, click this video right here. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. I'd love to have you on board, and we've got lots more coming. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.